What's going on, guys? This is Kedar here, and many people right here in the community ask me this very important question about the IRS sending out those $1,400 stimulus checks. And today in this video on IRS $1,400 stimulus check for eligible families, and IRS is also sending out letters to over 9 million people who are potentially eligible for more stimulus checks. And we have got all the details on how you can claim the additional stimulus money right from the IRS. And we are talking about tons of stimulus programs like child tax credit, earned income tax credit, recovery rebate credit, child and dependent care credit. And this entire process to claim your stimulus money might take as little as 15 minutes. So today in this video on IRS $1,400 stimulus check, we have got the eligibility criteria, which families are eligible, and how much money can you claim through the stimulus programs, and most importantly, how you can claim those additional stimulus money right from the IRS. We have got tons of details right here in this video, so make sure to hit that like right before we start this video, and be sure to subscribe to How To Guys with all the bell notification turn on so you'll never miss new videos we upload every single day. Anything related to benefits, raises to your benefits, additional stimulus money, do check out our channel. And without further ado, let's get right into all the important details. As per the latest details that we got from IRS, well, IRS is sending out letters to over 9 million people who are potentially eligible for additional stimulus money, and IRS is sending out letters to all those people who did not claim their stimulus payments such as Eitc, child tax credit, and many other stimulus benefits. And looks like IRS want to remind potentially eligible people, especially the families that may qualify for this valuable tax credits. And we are talking about the recovery rebate credit, child tax credit, earned income tax credit, and other tax credit benefits depending on the personal family situation. Therefore, a special reminder letters will be coming out from IRS, which will be arriving in the mailbox over the next few weeks, and these letters are being sent out to people who appear to be eligible and qualified for the child tax credit, recovery rebate credit, earned income tax credit, but still haven't filed 2021 return claim. And we are talking about over 9 million potential non-filers who may be eligible for these credits, and every year people overlook their filing tax return, whether they entitled for the tax credit or refund. And you know what, people can file the tax returns even if they haven't yet received their letter from the IRS, and IRS sent out these reminder letters to people, and there is no penalty for refund claim on a tax credit filed after a regular April 2022 tax deadline. And actually, the stimulus checks for many of these credits benefit programs have gone out in several of the states over the past few months. However, there are still thousands of families who are eligible but still haven't received those stimulus check yet. And according to the Office of Tax Analysis, nearly 9 million taxpayer families were still considered eligible to receive the stimulus payment approved by the American Rescue Plan Act. And in addition to receiving $1,400 stimulus check, they may also qualify for additional tax credits or rebates such as child tax credit and earned income tax credit. As per the latest details, looks like these letters were mailed out as late as October in order to advise filers of their potential eligibility for these programs. So you could receive these letters very soon, and these stimulus program could provide financial boost of several $1,000 depending upon the total amount of stimulus for which each household could receive up to all of these 3 credits. Now, speaking of the rules, there are no specific rules and regulations exist, but speaking of those people who qualify can receive the following tax benefits. So first, we are talking about $1,400 per filer with an additional $1,400 per qualifying child through their recovery rebate credit. So remember, $1,400 per filer and with additional $1,400 per qualifying child through their recovery rebate credit. Second, we got up to $6,728 for taxpayer with 3 children. They can claim up to $6,728 through their earned income tax credit, that is EITC. Then next we got up to $3,600 per child under the child tax credit, and also we got up to $8,000 in daycare expenses, that is through the child and dependent care credit. So speaking of these benefits, let's say if you didn't have filed for any of those following stimulus programs, then you could be eligible for these programs. And if you received letter from IRS saying that you're eligible, then you should file for these stimulus program in order to claim those unclaimed stimulus money. Now speaking of how you can claim those benefits, some of you probably know that although the IRS pre-file portal has already closed and claimants who are typically not required to file a return can complete their 2021 filing with a proper tax preparer or supply their information individually via the child tax credit site. So even though the IRS pre-file portal has been already closed, you can simply head over to the childtaxcredit.gov, and right over here, this is a US official website, US government official website. Very easily, you just need to file a simple tax return in order to claim your benefits such as child tax credit and EITC, and you can probably complete the filing in as little as 15 minutes. And right here onto the website, there is a get started button which will help you to file those tax returns fast and very easily. And actually there are two options. So option A is simple, so you can simply file in as little as 15 minutes for your child tax credit and EITC. Speaking of the option B, you got a full tax return to receive your maximum refund. So this one is a really good choice because here you can find out for what kind of a benefits you are eligible, and you could be eligible for additional of thousands of dollars in tax credits. While upcoming tax season will begin next month, the credits are reverting back to their original amounts, so the penalty free funds may be just the incentive that you need to elevate your holiday spending. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit that like button for me and be sure to subscribe to How To Guys and subscribe with all the bell notification turn on to never miss new videos we upload every single day. Do check out state-wise stimulus updates, SNAP emergency, PBT, everything related to benefits and raises onto our channel.